Hi there. I am going to show you the step-by-step process of entering employee hours into the Naviline Payroll module. First, I'm going to explain how to enter hours, run an hours proof, and finally how to view the resulting hours proof report. Let's get started. The first step is to access the hours entry screen. From Fiscal Services, go to Payroll and then Hours Entry. Click OK to move past this employee selection screen. You'll now see a list of your department employees. Now that you see all your employees, you have the option to open each employee by double-clicking on them. But to save time, you can click the plus sign to copy the select option down the list. Then hit OK or hit your Enter key. You will now see the first employee. At this point, every time you hit OK or Enter key, you will advance to the next employee. When looking at an employee, the hours column is where you'll enter new hours or change the hours that are currently showing. At the top, the total hours defaults to 40 hours before you've made any changes. Use the type column to adjust or add a new hours code. You can type the code into the field or click the arrow to see available codes. You can use the jump to field to quickly jump to the code you want, then double-click on the code you want added. Now that the code is inserted, finish entering the hours and date for that code. Clicking OK or Enter key will finalize your changes. If you get this warning, it's just a reminder for you to double-check your numbers. You can always hit OK to advance past this message. And now the total hours reflect the changes you have made. Go ahead and hit OK or Enter to advance to the next employee. Here's an example of entering a no-pay hours type code. Then, of course, enter the hours and date for it. Here's one more example, this time a vacation code. Although select is an option, remember you can also double-click. Go ahead and finish entering the hours and date. If you need to enter an account number, use the scroll bar at the bottom to move to that area. Hit OK once you're all done. If your employee list spans multiple pages, you will be taken to a screen where you will select the next group of employees. Click OK to continue your hours entry process. After you've entered all your hours information, the next step is to run an hours proof. Go to Payroll, then click Hours Proof. Here you will choose the appropriate pay frequency. You can choose Select then OK or just double-click. A message will pop up that you've submitted your hours proof job to run. To view your hours proof report, click the orange icon at the top right. Then, click on Outputs option. This will show all the reports you've generated. Click the option on the left for descending sequence. Your latest reports will pop up to the top of the page. Identify the hours proof reports you generated. You now have the option to display it as a PDF. Click OK to have it open in a new tab as a PDF. From here, you can either save or print the report out to a printer of your choice. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.